guys, welcome back to Leafy and Cherish, and today I'm going to be showing you all of my fire alarms. Here we go. By the way, thank you for the subscribers on Jacob and Cherish Makes and the Jacob and Audrey channel. I made those by myself, but I just wanted you guys to thank you guys for the subscribers. So, yeah. Okay, so I think we're going to start off with the originals, so here we go. Some Work Zebra. Okay, ready for our BG12. And I got Edward Siga 270 SPO. If I can hear that. This might be dying. Come on, work, you piece of garbage. Okay, never mind, that one doesn't work anymore, but this one. And then, of course, the old vintage bell. Yeah, that's the best I can do because I can't really reach it. So, now let's get cracking with the new ones. So I got fire drill box, which is just my fire alarm keys. So yeah, the code is already put in on this lock, so we can just open that up like that. Open it up. Here we go. Let's go to the button. That's my most favorite. Them all. And yeah. I really like it, and I spent about a good 2 hours trying to make it. So yeah, there it is. It looks so real. Okay, so let's go here. You know what? I'm just gonna do it this way. Okay. Right. So here's the push button. So now that's pulled, I ought to reset it. So I think it's really hard to reset because they're locks. Oops. Sorry. Sorry, guys. My iPad just slipped out of that crack. Okay. Maybe about there. Okay, there we go. It did come off. Sometimes it keeps on going off. Sometimes it goes off. So, yeah. So I'm gonna put that in there. And yeah. Surprisingly, there's actually a switch in here. No, it's like a lever, not a button. But I was really creative when I did something. But I'm not gonna show it you guys. I don't want you guys copying my ideas. Okay, so let me just put these keys back. Okay, I'm gonna move on. See for the Siga 278. Okay, this is the Siga 278, right? Okay, so this one. Okay, let me just as you can see, there's a lock right here, so I need to get that back. Okay, guys, so I just unlocked that. The key right there. I just wanted to unlock it right now so I can just lift it up. I won't have to be dealing with that with the alarm going off. So here we go. It's that one's semitone higher. Okay, let me just put that lock back on. Okay, so moving on to our next alarms. Just put these keys back. Okay, we'll go with this one. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what alarm this was hooked up to, it was actually hooked up to this. So look. So that's inside of this thing. So yeah. These alarms are really, really rare, just so you know. Okay, so you can't find them online anymore. They're really, really old. Okay, so moving on to this one. It's one of my favorites. So here we go. Yeah, let me just reset that. Okay. So, yeah, I just reset that. And, yeah. Okay. Put these keys back. Okay, get these ones. Okay. So this one's cool. This is a Edward Sega 270 SPO. So here we go. If I can get that there. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so pretty sure we're gonna get this. Okay, so that one's kind of a pain in the ass. So I had to find something to stand the camera up. Or else you guys won't be able to see me resetting it, and that's the fun part, is resetting it. So yeah. And then moving on, I have the strobe light. Let me just put this here because I need two hands to use the strobe light. So yeah, go with this. Here we go. Just a fire strobe light. So yeah. Alright, moving on to our next alarm. This is my most favorite. The KD9 carbon monoxide alarm. And the first alert smoke detector. So, yeah. Maybe I could just... Okay. So, well, I'm sweating right now. Maybe put my AC on. But, I'm going to be testing both of them. So, you know. There here's something I want to show you guys that is really, really cool about the smoke detector is that it can actually open up. So you can see what's inside in case there's, let's put the batteries in there. In case there's a malfunction, maybe you can fix it, or if it gets dusty, you can always blow it off. But yeah, I think that's really, really cool, and I do like the smoke detector better than the kitty carbon monoxide alarm, and this is really, really loud. So yeah, I do have to cover this one because it's really, really loud. So yeah, I don't want to disturb anybody. Okay, so here is the Kitty Nighthawk carbon monoxide alarm. So here we go. Ooh, my ears. That is loud. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I should have covered that one. Okay. Now here comes my most favorite, the first alert smoke detector. Here we go. So yeah, that's kind of it for all the alarms. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.